Most people think becoming a Fiverr level 1 seller is about luck. But here's the truth, no one tells you. On Fiverr in 2026, leveling up is not about talent alone. It is about consistency, performance signals, and avoiding small mistakes that block your growth. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is focusing only on getting orders and ignoring Fiverr's performance metrics. In this video, you will learn exactly how to reach level 1 seller status in 2026, what Fiverr actually measures, and how beginners can get there faster. Let's break it down. Fiverr has a seller level system that tracks your performance. A beginner like Alex starts as a new seller. Then, after meeting certain requirements, they move to level 1 seller. Now here's where it gets interesting. Fiverr does not just look at income. It tracks order completion, response time, customer satisfaction, and activity. But here's the problem most beginners face. They focus only on getting 1 or 2 orders and ignore delivery quality, communication, and consistency. So let's go step by step. First, you need at least 60 days of activity. Fiverr wants to see consistency, not random success. That means you must stay active and keep your gig running. Second, you need completed orders. A freelancer like Jake, who completes small but consistent orders, will move faster than someone waiting for big clients. Third, your response rate matters a lot. Fiverr tracks how quickly you reply to messages. Slow replies can block your progress even if you are getting orders. Now let's talk about cancellations. In 2026, cancellations are one of the biggest reasons sellers stay stuck at the beginner level. You must avoid canceling orders unless absolutely necessary, because Fiverr sees it as poor reliability. In a minute, here is something most beginners miss. Fiverr is not just a marketplace. It is a trust system. Every action you take builds or reduces trust signals in the algorithm. Fourth, your rating matters. You need strong reviews from buyers. Even a few bad reviews can slow down your progress, so communication is key. A freelancer like John who delivers clearly, communicates well, and avoids misunderstandings often reaches level 1 faster than someone with better skills, but poor communication. Fifth, your gig activity matters. Updating your gig, staying online, and being responsive helps Fiverr see you as an active seller. So, how long does it take? For most beginners, reaching level 1 takes a few consistent months. It is not instant. It depends on order flow, communication quality, and performance stability. The key idea is simple. Fiverr promotes sellers who are reliable, not just skilled. To summarize, to reach level 1 seller in 2026, you need consistent activity, completed orders, fast responses, strong reviews, and 0 unnecessary cancellations. If you master these basics, leveling up becomes predictable. If this helped you understand how Fiverr levels actually work, like the video, comment your progress, and subscribe for more freelancing guides that help you grow step by step.